As a teacher, I believe it's our responsibility to explore effective parenting tips, to discuss the crucial role of parenting in nurturing our children. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Hello and welcome back English with Shan. We're gonna learn English language through parenting tips. It is just a small talk, but it is so useful for parents and English learners. So we're gonna discuss tips for successful parenting. So we're gonna discuss role of parents in nurturing children. First of all, we should understand that children are a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Our children have the right to receive equal treatment, as we have the right to expect that they should honor us. Point number 2. Children are a great blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. With their tender hearts, children can be molded into righteous people only with a positive and tender approach. So parents must pay attention about nurturing their child, because parents play a very important role in child's life. They are the ones who play a major role in shaping a child's identity. The more involved the parents are, the easier it's for them to successfully nurture their child, because nurturing begins with the parents' aspiration for the child. All parents aspire the best for their children. What they wish for the child directly depends on their view of looking at life in this world. The role of parents in the life of the children is to provide a caring and stable home environment, and to model the behavior we expect in them. Parents should also lay the groundwork for children to practice what they have learned. It is just a small talk we discuss here about parenting tips. Further, inshallah, we will discuss more about this topic, because this topic is need of time, because every parent have desire to model their children. So thanks for watching. I will see you again inshallah with another video. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair.